That guy tried to kill me and kidnap your daughter.
Mas pipiliin ko sumama sa'yo kaysa makulong na naman ako dito. Bakit ka pa kasi nila hinahabol?
Sinubukan ko patayin si Miguelito kasi pinatayin si Kuya David at pinagtangkayan si Kuya Tanggol. Kaya nga kailangan ko ng mga takas dito eh.
Let's check the CCTV. Let's go!
Bakit yung sinasaktan ng nanay ko?
Nanay mo? Wala tayong traso sa akin ng nanay mo. Kasama ka na doon!
Magsisigil kayo! Tama na yan! Yan! Tama yan! Si Don Gustavo Guerrero ang totoo kong tatay. Ang ibig sabihin din nun si Tanggol Guerrero din.
Anong ibig niyo sabihin?
Binigay sa akin ni Tinday kanina. Pagpapatunay na isa akong Guerrero.
Subuko ka lang, Guerrero. Hindi ka lumaking katulad nila. Mulupong! Kaya pala pinipigilan niya ako para tumakbong mayor. Dahil ayaw niya makalaban ng sarili ko ng pamilya, ang mga Guerrero. Sa pangalan ka lang, Guerrero, Tanggol. You're still my son. Dadalawang isip ka na ba?
Pamilya na ngayon ni Tanggol ang mga Guerrero.
Ay, baka nakakalimutan mo. Ang mga Guerrero ang pumatay sa kapatid ko. Papa, kahit kailan hindi magbabago ang isip ko, kalaban ko ang mga Guerrero. Sila ang dahilan kung bakit naghihirap ang mga tao sa Maynila. Sila ang pumatay kay David, kaya papatayin ko rin sila.
Tanggol, teka muna. Pamilya mo na rin sila ngayon, di ba? Pwede ba? Itigil niyo na muna yung patayan. Hindi naman masusolusyonan ng paghihiginti niyo lahat ng problema natin sa Danila.
Sa lahat ng mga katarang-tato ang ginawa nila sa'yo, ha? Kakampi ka pa sa kanila?
Hindi ko sila kinakampihan. Ang sinasabi ko lang sa inyong dalawa, itigil na muna natin yung away bago pa may madamay.
Nay! Sila pumatay sa anak mo!
Hindi! Walang pwedeng mag-aalis ng Maynila kung hindi ang mga Montenegro.
Ramon! Ramon, teka! Tanggol! Tanggol, anak!
Kahit ano pa ipakiusap niyo, hindi magbabago ang isip ko. Wala akong pakialam kung nananalaytay sa mga dugo ko ang mga Guerrero. Sila ang pumatay sa kapatid ko. Kaya kinakailangan ng pagbayaran niyo.
Nakikiusap ako, itigil na muna natin yun. Kahit anong sabihin mo ngayon, pamilya mo na rin sila.
Hindi ko na alam kung sino ang kakampi ko. Kahit si Santino pinagtangkaan ang buhay ko. Siya ang nagpasabog kanina sa meeting de Avance.
Ano? Ano sinasabi mo?
May nakuwang ebidensya ang mga kaibigan ko. At nakita nila si Santino na nandun sa meeting de Avance. Isa siya sa may mga galit sa akin ay. At sigurado ako na si Santino may gawa nun!
Tanggol, teka muna eh. Hindi niya kayang gawin yung mahal ka ng kapatid mo. Baka nagkakamali lang sila.
Hindi, Nay. Nagawa niya yun! Nagawa niya yun! Dahil anak siya ni Rigor!
Ano nangyari? Ha? Ano yung puto ka na yun?
Pinasok tayo. Ako yung naging target.
Eh, ba't ganyan itsura mo? Kumusta ka? Saktan ka ba?
I'm fine, Ma.
Nangyari?
Ang malaki nating problema, tinangay si Erica.
Ano? Roberto, bawiin mo si Erica. Alamin mo kung sino may kagagawa nito. Pagbayarin mo sila. Santino, saan ba tayo pupunta? Where are you taking me?
Kung saan? Di ba ikaw sumama sa akin?
What? Eh, ikaw kaya itong humila sa akin. Oh my God, please, Santino. Gulong-gulo na ako. We need to hide na. Oh my God, police! Bakit police niyo ba? Ay, ano ba? Itago mo yan, di mo kaya. Sige.
Tayo tayo!
Ay,
Hintayin lang, hindi nila tayo sundan. Tara, halika na.
Ba, dito lang tayo. Mas okay tayo dito.
Andito na, ano nagawa na dito?
Baka bumalik pa sila. Ano ka ba?
Halika na.
Dito nga lang tayo.
Ano ba yan ang ingay nyo? Nagigising mga customer eh. Ano kuya? Magche-check-in ba kayo hindi?
Hindi po. Para sa...
Yes. Yes, we'll get the room. Here, keep the change.
Halika.
Oh,
Sigurado ka ba dito?
bakit, Santino? Gusto naman mahuli nila tayo? Kuya and Pa, so you. Hindi ka nila tatantanan. Pag nahuli nila tayo, papatayin ka nila.
That's him.
Sino ba yan? Paano yan nakapasok dito? Ang dami-dami nating guards. The change.
Thank you, ma'am.
Pakisara na lang yung pinto.
Para saan yung mga yan?
Ito, para dyan sa mukha mo. At ito naman, para sa atay ko. Buka dyan.
Ay,
Arte naman na ito.
sakit eh.
Sorry. O, ayan. Okay na. Dahan-dahan. Ganyan.
Kilala niyo to?
Santino yan ah! Nito siya kanina!
Tao mo? Kasama namin yan. Mayor! Siya ang nagtangka sa buhay ni Miguelito. At tinangay niya pa ang anak kong si Erica.
Mayor, ano kasi, siya yung nagpasabog na entablado kasama si Tanggol. Di ba gusto mo siya makilala? Ganito kasi yun eh. Kapatid ni Santino si Tanggol. At doon sa meeting de avance ni Tanggol, narinig niya nagsalita si Fatima Benito. Sinasabing yung anak ninyo ang pumatay sa Kuya David niya. Kaya siguro... Pasensya na, Mayor! Hindi ko naman alam, nagaganti. Siya yung nagpasabog na entablado kasama si Tanggol. Di ba gusto mo siya makilala? Ganito kasi yun eh. Kapatid ni Santino si Tanggol. At doon sa meeting de avance ni Tanggol, narinig niya nagsalita si Fatima Benito. Sinasabing yung anak ninyo ang pumatay sa Kuya David niya. Kaya siguro pinagtangkaan niya ang buhay ni Miguelito. Pasensya na, Mayor. Hindi ko naman alam, nagaganti si Santino kay Miguelito. Pero ganito na lang, Mayor, para makabawi kami sa inyo. Hahantingin namin si Santino at babawiin namin ang anak ninyo.
Ikaw na ang bahala kay Santino. At ibalik mo ang anak ko. Pag nagawa niya yan, bibigay ko sa iyo ang pinangako ko. Triple. Pero pag hindi nangyari yan, magpasensyahan tayo. Labas nyo na yan!
Pangako, Mayor!
Sige! Tayo!
Salamat!
Tino, umamin ka nga sa akin. Bakit ba pinagtangkaan mo yung buhay ng kapatid ko?
Ang kapatid mo, ang pumatay sa Kuya David ko. Erika, si Miguelito ang pumatay sa kapatid ko. Ginamit nila akong lusyo at ng tatay mo ang galit ko. Akala ko kasi si Kuya Tanggol ang pumatay sa kapatid ko eh. May Kuya David. Pero hindi. Nagkakamali ako. Tanga-tanga ko. Masyado ako nagpadala sa galit ko at sa sulsul ni Akulusyo. Erika, masama akong kapatid. Dahil sa kapatid mo, madaming inosenteng buhay ang nawala. Daming buhay ang nawala. Mga taong gusto lang naman sanang suportahan ng kapatid ko. Pero anong ginawa ko? Erika, demonyo yung kapatid mo. Magbabayad siya, Erika. Magbabayad siya!
Ay, pasensya ka na doon sa mag-inang yun, ha? Talagang walang urbanidad.
Julio, paano mo nakilala si Matilde at ang anak niya?
Si Matilde, ngayon ko lang yan nakita. Pero yung anak, si Marites, siya ang ina ni Tanggol.
Ma, bakit kasi sinaktan ng lola ni Tanggol? Ano ba atraso mo doon?
Julio, iwanan mo muna kami mag-ina. Please. Makinig ka, Olivia. Ang babaeng yun ay naging kabit ni Gustavo. At si Marites ang naging bunga ng pagkakasala nila.
Ang ibig sabihin, si Tanggol ay isang gerero.
Oo. At nasa kanila ang kayamanang matagal ko nang pinaghirapan. Pinamigay ni Gustavo kay Matilde ang titulo ng lahat na ari-arian natin na ngayon ay bilyonis na.
Gerero pala si Tanggol. Mas malaki ang rason ko na ipaligpit siya. Kasama na ang nanay niya at ang lola niya.
Olivia, huwag kang padikla-dikla. Baka pumalpak ang plano mo. At baka si Tanggol ang umupo sa pwesto.
Hahanap tayo ng tamang panahon. Kahit na dugong gerero pa yan si Marites at si Tanggol, ako pa rin ang tunay na nagmamay-ari sa kayamanan na ibinigay lang sa kanila. Dahil ikaw, Ma, ikaw ang tunay na naghirap para doon.
Teka, pasok ka muna. Maupo ka muna rito, ha? Teka, ayusin ko muna. Diyan ka muna, ikukuha kita ng tubig, ha?
Naku, Tilden. Gulong-gulo na ako sa mga nangyayari. Ano ba yung binigay mo mga titulo kay Marites? Bakit napakalalim ng away niyo ng mga gerero? Kilala niyo mo ba sila?
Mahabang kwento, Roda. May nakaraan kami ng mga gerero. Matagal na akong nagtatago sa kanila pero ngayon nahanap na nila ako dahil yan sa pagpasok ni Tanggol sa politika.
Kaya pala tutol na tutol ka sa pagtakbo ni Tanggol sa politika kasi takot kang balikan ka ng nakaraan mo.
Oo, Roda. Simulat sa pool, alam ko na kung anong klase mga demonyo yung mga gerero. Halika nga. Upo ka, halika. May sasabihin ako sa iyo. Ito ang importante mong malaman. Yung mga titulong binigay ko kay Marites, yun ay mga ari-arian ni Gustavo na ipinamana niya sa aming anak.
Ha? Wait a minute. Anak ni Gustavo Guerrero si Marites? Ito si Tanggol, may dugong Guerrero din.
Ngayon, alam na ni Marites ang kanyang pagkatao.
Nako, paano yan pag nalaman ni Tanggol kung saan ang galing ang kanyang nanay? Nako, mortal na kaaway niya ang mga Guerrero. Yung pala kadugo niya.
Hindi yun ang kinakatakot ko. Ang inaalala ko, yung kaligtasan ng mag-ina. Lalo na ngayon na nakita ni Pilar si Marites, sigurado akong mapapatay ni Pilar si Marites.
Ay, naku, diyan ka nagkakamali. Nakita ko kung paano protektahan ni Don Julio ang kanyang apo. Protected ang apo mo.
Sa kabila nun, pinasabog ang entablado ng meeting de avance ni Tanggol. Baka tama ang pag-alala ni Tinding.
Siguro. Dapat balikan ko na sila. Aalis na kami dito. Maninirahan na lang kami sa probinsya.
Saan probinsya ka magtatago? Di ba ikaw na nagsabi, you tried to hide and you failed? Saan probinsya mo itatago si Tanggol? Puprotektahan mo ba siya? Ngayon, ang alam ko, si Ramon at si Don Julio ang talagang makapag-protect sa kanila right now.
Babae na kaaway ko kanina. Sundan niyo at alam kung saan nakatira.
Opo, Doña Pilar.
Panginoong Diyos, tulungan niyo po ako. Alam na po ng mga taong pinagtataguan ko ang tunay na pagkatao ng aking anak. Naniniwala po ako na ikaw ang pinakamatibay na proteksyon para sa aking mga minamahal. Nagmamakaawa po ako. Pangalagaan niyo po si Marites at si Tanggol sa lahat ng maaaring magpahamak sa kanila. Iligtas niyo po sila.
Tanggol.
Anak, ano man ang nalaman mo tungkol sa pagkatao mo, isipin yun. Baliwalain mo lahat yan. Dahil wala sa dugo mo ang mga gerero. Tandaan mo, ikaw ang tanging tagapagmana ng mga Montenegro.
Huwag kayo mag-alala, Papa. Hindi magbabago ang isip ko. Hindi ko mapapatawad ang mga gerero sa ginawa na sa kapatid ko.
Hindi ko rin sila mapapatawad dahil ilang beses na nilang tinangkang patayin tayo. Isa lang ang dapat matira sa Maynila. Yun na yung mga Montenegro. Unahan natin sila. Hindi tayo magpapaagrabyado. Lakas ng kutob ko. Sila ang nalagay ng bomba. Doon sa meeting de Avance mo.
Buong buhay ko, akala ko patay na ang aking ama. Pero buhay pa pala siya. Siguro tinuon ng buong Nazareno na malaman kong katotohanan. Pero kalaban kayo ng pamilya. Ang mga minamahal ko. Pinagtangkaan niyo ang buhay ni Tanggol. At pinatay niyo ang anak ko.
Papa, alam ko na po kung sino may kagagawanan. Ang kapatid ko. Si Santino.
Talagang lahat ng record na yan. Walang mga puso. Sarili lang kapatid. Ayaw nilang patayin. Huwag mong ituring kapatid ang mga yan.
Tapos si Santino ang pagbibintangan nila na nagpasabog sa meeting de Avance. Hindi ko na alam kung anong dapat kong gawin. Diyos ko, tulungan niyo ako. Paano ko ba maayusin ang pamilya ko?
Dugo ng kadugo mo, nasa kamay mo ngayon.
Isa kang girero?
Aatras ka na ba?
Hindi. Dahil kapag naupo ang mga girero ulit ng munisipyo, siguradong mas lalo magigil pa mga tao.
Erika, tayo pa ng gustong pinansin ito.
As long as I'm with you, alam ko ligtas ako.
Nasaan ka ba? Nakuha mo pa kaming iwan.
Uwi na ako. Maghintay kayo.
Punta natin si Fatima. Nangako ako sa kanila na puprotektahan ko sila.
Pahanap mo si Fatima. Tahimbikin mo.
Si Roberto ang nagputos sa pagpapasabog ng meeting de Avance.
Ibig sabihin, nasa panganib kayo ng buhay nila, Fatima. Tara!
FPJ's Batang
अस्सलामुअलैकुम व्यूअर्स, सब लोग कैसे हैं? आई होप कि आप लोग ठीक होंगे। BM7 के नाम से एक नया ब्रांड लॉन्च होने जा रहा है और BM7 आप लोग सभी तकरीबन इस नाम से वाकिफ़ होंगे। पाकिस्तान के एक ऐसे जो सोशल मीडिया स्टार हैं जिनका कंटेंट बहुत अच्छा है, जिनकी लोग बहुत लाइक करते हैं, उनकी वीडियोज़ को लाइक करते हैं, उनके बोलने के अंदाज़ को लाइक करते हैं और कभी कभी वो टिकटॉक पर लाइव भी आते हैं और फिर उसके अलावा भी उनकी यूट्यूब पर और चीज़ों पर प्लेटफार्म पर वीडियोज़ मिलती हैं। मैं बात कर रहा हूँ दोस्तों बिलाल मार्फ की, जो कि पेशे के लिहाज से शुरू से एक बिजनेसमैन है। रिसेंटली वो अपना एक ब्रांड लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं जिसका नाम उन्होंने रखा है BM7 और उसकी लॉन्चिंग के लिए वो सारे टिकटॉक स्टार और उसके अलावा जो कुछ क्रिकेटर्स और मशहूर शख्सियात को बुलाते हैं, उनकी दावत करते हैं और वहाँ पर BM7 का ब्रांड का जो है वो नाम लॉन्च किया जाता है। ठीक है जी, इसमें इस चीज़ में कोई शक नहीं कि ये ब्रांड चलेगा कि नहीं चलेगा और मैं आपको 100% बता सकता हूँ कि ये चलेगा। उसकी रीज़न ये है कि कोई भी ऐसा शख्स जिसकी फ़ैन फॉलोइंग हो या जिसकी फेस वैल्यू हो और एक पॉजिटिव फेस वैल्यू हो। लोग वायरल तो होते हैं अलग अलग चीज़ों से, लेकिन जो इंसान पॉजिटिव तौर पर वायरल होते हैं, जिनकी इमेज लोगों की नज़र में बड़ी पॉजिटिव हो, तो वो जब और उनकी फ़ैन फॉलोइंग भी हो और वो जब कोई भी चीज़ लॉन्च करें या कोई भी नया काम शुरू करें तो उनको हमेशा जो है वो उसमें सक्सेस मिलती है। दूसरी बात ये है कि बिलाल मारत एक ऐसे इंसान हैं जो कैमरे के सामने भी वैसे ही हैं, कैमरे के बाद भी वैसे ही हैं। बाकी रही बात इस चीज़ पे यकीन रखने की, तो वो ज़ाहिर सी बात है, लोगों अल्लाह बेहतर जानता है। लेकिन जितने भी ये व्लॉगर्स होते हैं या अदर्स जो हैं वो सोशल मीडिया के स्टार होते हैं, उनके कंटेंट से पता चल रहा होता है कि ये लोग कितना को फेक काम कर रहे हैं और दिखाने की कुछ और कोशिश कर रहे हैं और कर कुछ और रहे हैं, ठीक है। लेकिन बिलाल मारत की वीडियोस से, उनकी जितनी भी वीडियोस सोशल मीडिया पर देखने को मिलती हैं, उसमें ऐसा लगता है कि शायद ये रियल लाइफ में भी वैसे ही हैं और वीडियोस में भी तकरीबन वैसे ही, कोई ओवर रिएक्ट और एक्टिंग नहीं करते। उनकी इस तकरीब में मिस्टर पतलू को भी बुलाया जाता है, ठीक है, और जितने भी टिकटॉक स्टार हैं, रजब के अलावा, क्योंकि रजब का अपना एक इशू बना हुआ है, आप लोगों को पता है, और वो पाकिस्तान से बाहर है। और भी डिफरेंट टिकटॉक और स्टार को बुलाया जाता है, जैसे कि डोगर मोटर, शहजाद डोगर मोटर के जो ओनर हैं, उसके बाद और भी डिफरेंट लोगों को बुलाया जाता है और एक अच्छी तकरीब की जाती है। उसकी वीडियो सोशल मीडिया पर अभी देखने को मिल रही हैं काफ़ी सारी। उसके बाद जितने भी मेहमान आए थे, उनकी गाड़ियों के बैक साइड पर जो है वो अपने ब्रांड की फ्लैक्सें लगवाई जाती हैं और एक प्रॉपर तरीके से, जिस तरह किसी ब्रांड की प्रमोशन की जाती है, उसी तरह इस ब्रांड की प्रमोशन की जाती है। और मैं आपको मज़े की बात बताऊं कि जितने भी ये लोग इसमें आए होंगे, और वो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली कि वो पैसा लेके आए होंगे, वैसे ही आए होंगे, क्योंकि ये सारे लोग बिलाल मारत से मोहब्बत करने वाले लोग हैं। अब्दुल्ला इब्न सबील ABS के जो ओनर हैं, ABS के ओनर जो कि बहरिया टाउन में रियल स्टेट का काफ़ी अच्छा बिज़नेस कर रहे हैं और कभी काफ़ी रूट पर जा रहे हैं, वो भी वहाँ पर थे। और भी गोंदल जो कि फ़नी वीडियोस बनाते हैं और उनका जो काम है वो है लोगों को अदर कंट्रीज़ में के वीज़े लगवा कर देना और वहाँ पे भेजना। वो भी काफ़ी सोशल मीडिया स्टार और बहुत अच्छी और बहुत कमाल का कंटेंट बनाते हैं। वो भी वहाँ पे मौजूद थे। तो इस तरह की उन्होंने यानी कि एक तकरीब की जिसमें उनके ब्रांड की प्रमोशन भी होगी, सभी लोगों को इकट्ठा भी कर लिया और एक सभी अपने जानने वालों की रिज़ो कर की जो है वो दावत भी कर ली। इस तरह का उनका इन्होंने तकरीब भी जो कि बहुत ही शानदार थी। और वहाँ पर जितने भी मैंने सोशल मीडिया स्टार देखे हैं, सारे मेल थे, कोई फ़ीमेल को उन्होंने नहीं बुलाया हुआ था। वो पूरी तकरीब में सारे जो हैं वो मर्द ही नज़र आ रहे थे, यानी कि इस चीज़ का भी उन्होंने ख़ास तौर पर ख्याल रखा कि कोई वल्गैरिटी इस चीज़ में शामिल ना हो। आई होप कि आपको भी वो तकरीब बहुत अच्छी लगी होगी वीडियो।
Hello, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Earn with F. In today's video, we'll be talking about how can you make approximately $35 a day just from a single Google site. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get into the video first. So what you have to do in this is a very simple task. Okay, first of all, I'll move towards our website. I'll write here Tribune. Okay, sorry, not meaning, only Tribune. Okay, so first of all, let's check this website's traffic. Website traffic checker. There are a lot of tools that help us with this, like they help us analyze this website traffic. We will just take a guess from that. Okay, it's a Pakistani website and let's check its traffic. I'm going with SimilarWeb. This is a very amazing website. Okay, I just pasted the link I copied of that international news, latest news, tribune.com, and we will analyze the traffic. Let's see. Okay, the annual revenue of this traffic is from $50 million to $75 million. Okay, let's check this. $1 million in PKR. Yeah, you can see it's 13,877,400 440 rupees Pakistan. It's a hell lot of money. Okay, so yeah, we have to replicate the site, and it's very easy. I'm here with while tell you one by one the step-by-step guide that you have to follow, and you can earn the same revenue. Okay, now what you have to do is okay, we will check this website. This is basically a news website. It has a lot of sections here: home, latest, Pakistan, business, world. Let's check some of its categories. This is the ad that yeah, they have a lot of ads here, and we can see. Let's open an article. Okay, this is the article's title. It's about Jeff Bezos and Mark Zuckerberg. It's their feature image, and we also have this option of listening to article, and this is the article all about. You can check this. Yeah. So what we are gonna do is just replicate this one. Okay. Yeah, these are the further subcategories. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to just move to YouTube. I'll write here YouTube. It's just a very easy task. You have to just move to YouTube and write here Jeff Bezos news latest. You can write about a specific person, or like you can just search for the news, all over news, like worldwide news, and there are millions of topics that you can search for. Okay, let's open this. It's 18 hours ago someone published this, and it has 3.1k views. Okay, it's good. Let's see. Okay, what we have to do is to just...
Right, at this stage, we're just 30...
Okay, I see. This is the video. What we have to do is to click on more, and here's the option of transcript and show transcript. Okay, here we have it. Let's copy this data. I'll copy all of this transcript, Control C and copy. Next, I'll move towards ChatGPT. Okay, I'll not log in. Let's just skip this part. Try it first. What's happening? Okay, let's log in. It will just take a minute or two, I guess. Continue with Google and my account. Continue. Okay, the method I'm telling you is just awesome. You have to follow the steps and you will be on your way to earn a lot. Okay, I'll write here, hello, convert the following transcript into a blog. Okay, I'll paste the transcript here and enter. Okay, this it has provided me with the title and everything. Yeah. Okay, what you have to do next is to buy hosting. The platform that I recommend for buying hosting is Hostinger. Hostinger has a lot of advantages. So yeah, it only offers if you want to go for monthly subscription, it's only for 529 rupees and 2 months free. And you know, it has a lot of deals. You can see, if you buy this package, it will give you one website which will be managed by hosting for WordPress, and it will provide you with 50 GB SSD storage. And if you want to scale up your business, so you can go with their premium or business plans. They are too good. Okay, so once you buy a plan, you have to go to the cPanel and log into your account, and you know, everything that you need to log into our WordPress website. And it's very easy to customize and make a WordPress website. I'll make a video on that too, but before that, We will move towards a website called Daydoses. We will log into Daydoses. It's a website, and I'll explain to you that how can you post your blog on that once you have logged in, once you have your hosting, once you have bought your hosting and domain. Now you have to log in to your dashboard and come up to here posts and the section of add new post. I'll open this in the new tab and start copying this. We will start from the title. You will control copy this, and I'll paste the title. I post my article using Elementor. I have the Elementor Pro 2. If you want that, you can do a comment in the comments below, so I'll help you with that. Okay, I'll add the title here, Control V, and next I will save draft and add it with Elementor. Now what you have to do is to just copy this, Control C, copy, and I guess there's some internet issue, that's why it's not responding properly, but it's okay, it will take some time. Meanwhile, you can see that people are it has almost 200 to 500 employees. There's a website that we are going to replicate, and trust me, if you give your 4 hours to 6 hours approximately daily just on this, just focus on this, so you will be on the category rank number 1, and it's just very easy. Okay, so from here we will just a minute, I'll refresh this because it's showing ad here. Yeah, what we have to, we copied the, it's basically the starting portion is introduction, so I copied that and I'll move this text editor here, and it shows lorem ipsum, etc, etc. I copy all and paste the lines that I copied. Okay, yeah, after that I'll add element and I'll add the heading. I'll add the Tech Titans contribution, copy and paste here. I'll add plus and text editor again, and now I will copy this data, Control C, copy, Control A, Control B, paste. Okay, I resolve all the issues if you find any. This is a Grammarly extension. I have this premium version of this. You can, if you don't have, you can comment me and I'll assist you with that too. Okay, so you can also make shorter paragraphs if you want to. You can break paragraph here, and you can add a heading here too, like Trump's criticism. I'll make a heading of this, Trump's criticism, and I'll do it here heading 3 because the Tech Titans contribution is heading 2. So I will, okay, I'll break another paragraph here. Now you can see it has little paragraphs. I find it very easy to read, so I always try to make shorter paragraphs. Okay, this, and after that you have to take images. It's important to make your blog look attractive. I'll copy this and I'll paste it here. This, I'll go towards images, and here we have, let's choose some attractive, I find this image attractive, so let's check this out. Okay, this is also a good picture. Let's just download this. I'll save image as, the image is saved in downloads. Next I'll go to Canva. What you have to do here is that you have to just resize your image. We will create a new design. I will choose presentation size. I always go with presentation size while I edit images for my blog. and I'll go to uploads, upload files, and I'll select the image. Let's paste it here, and I'll try to edit this. Let's just put it in the center. Yeah, perfect. So what was the title? Let's see that again. It was Tech Titans contribution. I'll copy this and I'll paste it here. Text, add a text box, and the Tech Titans contribution. I'll provide it with some effects. Let's put the background here. Let's shift the styles. Let's take a good heading. Okay, let's go with it. Okay, I'll change the colors. White on black, black on white. Okay, let's first change the background color. I'll go with, what if I go with white? Yeah, it's okay, but it's not that attractive. Yeah. Okay, let's change the text color to white. Yeah, much better. Okay. I'll paste it here. Is it okay? Yeah, it's okay. Now what you have to do is click on share, download, not PDF standard, JPG, and download. It will download. Yeah, our file is downloaded. Next, we will add the plus again and move the image here, upload files, select files, and it's important to write these elements, all text, the title, the caption, and the description. So basically the Google is a bot, it's a crawler. So Google cannot read your images. Basically what you provide here, Google will read only this. So I'll write here an image of, yeah, I pasted the same thing. I'll copy this and I'll paste it here, here, here. Select. After that, I'll publish this article. Right now, I'm just saving this because it's incomplete. I have not posted this completely. Once your article is completely published, that was all you needed to do. And you will, if you follow the same steps, you will be on your way to earn a lot. And if you have any questions, any queries, or you think that I missed some point, let me know in the comments below so I'll guide you all. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Take care. Hello, Assalamualaikum. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to Earn with Ifat. If you are new here, this is Ifat, and in today's video, I'll be sharing 5 pro tips that will help you earn your first $100 as a blogger. So whether you're just starting out or you are looking for the ways to monetize your blog, these 5 tips will give you the edge you need. So grab your notebook because you are going to want to take the notes. Okay, so starting from the tip number 1, because first thing first, the point number 1 is to choose a profitable niche. Okay, it's very important to have a profitable niche. Choose a niche that has an earning potential. While you are blogging about your hobbies, is a fun, you want to make sure there's a market for it. Think about a niche that have higher advertiser demand, like you can go for finance, health, tech, or lifestyle, because it will help you attract sponsors and affiliate opportunities much faster. Moving to the tip number 2, which is to create high quality content. Yes. Content is the king. You have to be consistent, guys. To get noticed, you need to create valuable content that solves the problem of the user. You have to answer the questions of the users. But it's actually not just about writing a great post. You need to publish consistently. You must aim for posting once a week at the very least. I try to publish one blog at a day. Like you can go for twice a week, or it depends on you, but I would highly recommend you to just be consistent. Okay. Because Google loves fresh content, and the more you post, the more chances you have of ranking and getting discovered. Okay, so sorry, I wrote wrong spellings. Okay, moving to the tip number 3, which is monetize your blog with affiliate marketing. Okay, now let's talk about money. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and most effective ways to start earning. You can promote your products, and you can that you have already used and you trust them, so you can earn commissions on the sales, on every sale you made through your links. And to make it work, you can include affiliate links into your blog posts. You can give product reviews and how-to guides. Yeah. So the tip number 4 is to start building your email list. I have told this in my earlier videos too, that building an email list is essential for long-term success. When you have a list of subscribers, you can directly reach out to them about new blog, about your new posts or products, or if some offers you have. You can use simple tools for creating email templates like MailChimp or ConvertKit. They offer some freebies and in exchange for the emails, and trust me, an email list is a gold mine. Okay, so moving towards the last but not the least, tip number 5, which is to offer sponsored posts or partnerships. Sponsored posts. Okay, once you have got some traffic coming in, it's time to reach out to the brands and businesses for sponsored posts. If your blog aligns with their target audience, you can get paid to their products or services. You just have to make sure to pitch yourself in a professional way and explain the value your blog can offer. And yeah, that was all for today. We have discussed the 5 pro tips that will help you earn your first $100 as a blogger. I know that it takes time and consistency, but by following these steps, you will be on your way to monetizing your blog in no time. So if you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more blogging tips and tricks. Also, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you that what's your blogging niche, and are there some issues that you are facing right now? I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, Allah Hafiz.